1980s, Shibuya Station, the chaos of Scramble Crossing. Shibuya Toei Theatre cinema giants and taxes. 1980s, Shibuya Parko, the red phone booth on Park Street. 1980s, Station Square, Winter